Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's up? Thank you for tuning into the NRS family, and today is one of the first motor vlog we are starting. And this is not only a motor vlog, as you all have already read the subtitle. Today we are going to do the third service of the 650R, and so let me take you all through the entire process and how it is going to be done, and more than that, what is the cost, because many people ask me, owning a, I can say, a super bike, is it expensive? So, and what is the service cost? So sit back, relax and enjoy. And yes, I will obviously on the end of the video I will be sharing the cost which I am going to pay for the CBR 650R service. One good thing about this bike is that it's a 650cc, it's an inline 4, and there are a lot of good advantages about this bike. You can use it on a daily use, and again, very user friendly, power on demand. If you can see, just a small throttle, and it really responds very well. The best part about it is you can use it as a day-to-day machine also, because it doesn't heat a lot. The posture is not that aggressive for the other bikers also, so very good about that also. And yeah, it's got its good advantages, and there are a few disadvantages also. So if you all would like to know more about the advantages and disadvantages of the bike and the ownership of around 5,000 kilometers, do comment in the comment section below, and I will make a complete video of the same too. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed now, and press the bell icon so you get notified for more videos like this. And now we're going to start motor vlogging on a day-to-day, or I can say on a very regular basis. Wow, that's the Maybach in front of me, and an amazing color. I believe they call this color the ruby red. So amazing color, and that's the Maybach S500. Beautiful, one of the most luxurious car, I can say, when it comes to luxury. The seating, the comfort, everything is just amazing. Well, that was the Maybach behind, and here is another luxury SUV, one of the most luxurious SUV. We saw a luxury sedan, and now we see one of the most luxurious, I can say, SUVs of all time. That's the Range Rover Vogue. Wow, look at its stance, man. Just incredible. Wow. So for all those who follow me on YouTube, and if you are like to see a lot of content, a daily content of images, and a little bit more about this bike, and more about I can say good landscapes and photos with this bike, do not forget to follow my Instagram page. I am putting the link in the description below also, and the link will be flashing right now. More luxury away, boys. As we go to get the CBR 650R service, we see one more luxury car onto our right. That's the Range Rover Velar. Wow. I don't know if I can say it's a lucky day to start my motor vlogging, and wow, what cars. Of course, we started with the Mercedes Maybach S500, then we came up to the Range Rover Vogue, and now we see the Range Rover Velar. Wow, what a day, man, what a day. Very easy to maneuver on the Mumbai roads also, no problem at all. It is heavy but doesn't feel that heavy also. That's the best part about the motorbike. When people ask me, can the CBR do off-roading? Yes, see, we are off-roading on the CBR 650R, so no problem over the ground clearance also. Got a good ground clearance. Wow, what roads, man, what roads. Are we riding or are we off-roading? We don't understand at times, but what to do. Thank you. So we are done with the third service of the bike, and wow, it feels so smooth. Nothing much to be changed. We changed the oil, and the oil filter was changed. The air filter after the third service also was just cleaned. We didn't have to change the air filter, so that's a good part. Wow, I am shocked, I am amazed. 3,200, not even 3,200, the cost for the third service. People really do ask me, is it really expensive to maintain a superbike? Is it how expensive are the services? Here is a proof. This is what you see right now on the screen. I am attaching the picture of the actual bill which I have paid, and an inline 4 superbike 650cc, and the third service costing around 3,200. Wow, that is fantastic. Share it with your friends, share it with most of the bike enthusiasts who really aspire or really think to buy a superbike. Yes, you can buy it, you can maintain it also. It's not very expensive. So all the best to all the riders, all the best to all the riders who dream for a big bike. If you dream it, I'm sure you can achieve it. Thank you all for supporting, thank you all for your love. If you've liked it, again, do hit the thumbs up button, and it's a sign of NRS family.